supporting lot for the domestic cruise because Bombay Port is also investing about 300 crores for the development terminals, and it as a home port they'll develop, and its main route will be Goa. Already Angria already started. They're doing successfully now. Now the second line is starting. They got plan of at least more than 70 this one per year. So here also we as a port we are extending huge concession for the attracting local cruise. We already given circular. If they cross 75, the rate already reduced rate. It will again reduced to 40%. If the 100 they cross, it will be more than 50%. As you aware that last year one rationalized formula is derived for the cruise, wherein the rate has been reduced to 1/3. We are going to give further in that direction. And port is developing a world-class international terminal now. For that, tenders already called for one for making financial viability study, another for the development as a West India shipyard area, entire area to international cruise terminal. That domestic will be separate, international will be separate. It may be the investment is about 100 crores from the government grant, and we are going for PPP, revenue share model, and investors based on the viability they will invest in. We are going ahead with that.